Y9 5-axis machining center is suitable for 5-axis linkage processing of wood mold, sanitary product, automotive interior, foam plastic product and solid wood product, and other special-shaped curved surface workpiece. The machine adopts Italian high-precision 5-axis head and HSK63F interface. It is a combination of variety functions setting milling, engraving, cutting, drilling, slotting. With high working efficiency, the machine adopts Italy OSAI control system with RTCP function and good operating experience. It can finish the complex 5-axis linkage machining works. It is equipped with water cooling spindle, automatic lubrication system of feeding transmission, and cooling spray system of tools. To make the machine more stable and high precision, it adopts Japan Yasukawa servo motor and high-precision planetary reducer to ensure machine accuracy. It is equipped with safety protection device to ensure the operator's personal safety. YOUHAO is an energetic and creative professional team, looking forward to cooperating with you.